Hey, beautiful people. Welcome back to Soul Sync. It's Dovey here, and today we're diving into a topic that's not just juicy, it's powerful. We're talking about how to make him want you badly. And I'm not talking about little puppy crush energy. I mean, make him crave you, think of you constantly, and wonder how he got so lucky to even breathe the same air as you. You're not just a girl he talks to. You're the fantasy he can't get out of his head. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to tap into that energy with confidence, a little mystery, a dash of seduction, and just the right amount of ID gaff to drive him wild. Let's get into it. 1. Let him crave your attention. Don't hand it over too easy. Here's the first rule of being unforgettable. Don't be too available. When you're always texting back in 2 seconds, always initiating conversations or rearranging your schedule for him, it screams desperation. And girl, you are the prize. Let him earn your attention. Respond when you feel like it. Leave a few hours before texting back. Make him wonder, what is she doing? Who is she with? That little bit of suspense drives him crazy. Make your presence rare but magnetic, because the less he hears from you, the more he's dying to get close again. Give him space to chase, and watch how fast he runs toward you. 2. Be his favorite obsession. But don't be obvious about it. You want him to think about you at 2 a.m., then get inside his head without announcing it. Mention a scent you wear that lingers. Say something mysterious and leave him hanging. Send a cute photo and go offline. Share a song that reminds you of nothing in particular, but then disappear. Leave traces of you in his day, his mind, his emotions, but never explain yourself fully. You're not begging for his attention. You're planting seeds in his brain. And the more unpredictable you are, the more he'll think of you when he's alone. Be the plot twist he didn't see coming. Give him the sweet side, but let him taste the dark one too. Men are drawn to duality, that contrast between softness and danger. So yes, be sweet, be affectionate, be warm. But also, let him see that little wild side, the part of you that knows your worth, that can cut him off if he plays stupid, that won't tolerate being half-loved. Maybe you're holding his hand one day, then not texting him back for 2. Maybe you compliment him with your eyes, then tease him with your words. Give him emotional whiplash in the best way. That balance of light and shadow makes you addictive, because he's constantly trying to figure you out. 4. Level up, glow up, and let him watch you rise. Nothing makes a man want you more than seeing you in your element. Not chasing him, not waiting for a reply, but glowing, living, winning. Be in the gym, be learning, be evolving. Post that fire pic, launch that dream. Don't just be a girl with feelings, be a force. When you start treating your life like your main love story, he starts to realize he's not your savior. He's lucky to witness you. And that shift in dynamic, it turns the tables. He stops wondering if he likes you and starts asking, how do I keep her? 5. Make him feel wanted, but not safe. Want to make him obsessed? Make him feel desired, but never secure. Compliment his voice. Tell him he looked hot that one day. Give him butterflies, and then go maya for a bit. Not to manipulate, but to remind him you are a woman with options, freedom, and self-respect. If he ever thinks he's too sure of you, he'll stop trying. So mix it up. One day, spoil him with affection. Next day, be a little distant. When he doesn't know if he's won you over completely, that's when he'll give his all to try. You're not the type he gets easily, you're the one he works for. 6. Use your words to turn him on mentally. Here's the deal. Men are visual, sure, but mental stimulation? That's the real seduction. Say things that make him pause. Ask questions that go deeper than "what did?" Drop a cheeky compliment, then change the topic. Text him something that could be innocent or could be flirty, and let him guess. Speak like you know he wants you, not to brag, but to tease. Use voice notes with that soft tone. Laugh in the middle of a sentence like you're holding back a secret. Make the words feel like foreplay. If you can turn him on with conversation, your silence will haunt him. 7. Stay unavailable to low effort. This one's crucial. Never accept bare minimum. If he's giving you dry texts, last-minute plans, or one-word replies, match his energy by stepping back. Don't complain. Don't explain. Just fall silent. When he realizes he's losing access to your softness, your time, your vibe, that's when panic sets in. High-value girls don't demand energy. They attract it by refusing to settle. So don't beg him to care. Make him feel the absence. And if he wants you, he'll level up. If not, you walk. Either way, you win. 8. Make him realize he's lucky, but not entitled. You're not here to convince him you're worthy. You're here to remind him by being unforgettable. Cook him dinner once, and then not again for weeks. Show up looking stunning without warning. Laugh loudly with other people when he walks by. Let him witness how you shine even when he's not the center of your world. He has to feel that wanting you is a privilege, not a promise. That way, he knows if he ever loses you, he's not just losing a girl, he's losing an experience, a standard, a whole fantasy he'll never recreate. And that's it, my beautiful people. 8. Bold, confident, a little crazy ways to make him want you badly. Remember, you are the full package. Not just cute, not just sweet, but smart, mysterious, powerful, and unforgettable. Stop waiting to be chosen. Become the one he can't stop choosing. If you felt this video in your soul, give it a like, share it with your girls, and don't forget to subscribe to SoulSync. Drop in the comments which point hit hardest or the move you're about to try next. I see you. Until next time, be soft, be savage, and make him work for your energy.